Hello, people. It's 12 o'clock right now. p.m. Wow, I don't know my times. And I'm wide awake watching The Office. I have a pause right now. I'm watching it on the. It's like yellow when it's usually blue. But yeah, everybody else is pretty much asleep except for my sister who's talking to her boyfriend. Anyway, yeah, I don't know what to talk about. I'm really bored, and I wanted to make a video, because I haven't made a video in forever, so, yeah. I was planning on singing a song, but that didn't go over really well, because I found out that I have a sucky voice. Yeah, awesome. I have fake nails. They're, like, pretty. Yeah. They're like little thingies. Pretty. They're black tips, as you can tell. And I'm also wearing my purity ring that I got, I think, 3 years ago. I was about purity on it, so easily known as purity ring. I got lip gloss yesterday from Target, and I got a haircut yesterday, and yeah, I have tons of reading to do for my class, but I don't want to do it. Apparently the book's really good, but, you know. Then I'm going to make a cake diorama for extra credit. I'm so bored. I'm probably going to make a video tomorrow, or later today. I should probably go to bed. Please come tomorrow, or later today. My sister was talking about today, don't date a douche. Don't date a person that says that you're pretty. I'm like, crap. It's like, I like this guy in Jason, and he's telling me beautiful all the time. And I was like, he likes me, it makes me happy, but my sister says you're a douche. And I pretty much live by my sister's word, so she's been through, like, everything, so I trust her a lot. Okay, well, that's it. Peace out, y'all. Bye.